as you can see, when you have these very nice tinted windows and nothing on the front windshield with this angle, you know, it lets like this sun beat down extremely deep into the truck, warming up the steering wheel, the shift knob. So sunstrip and a whole clear coat of you know, very light 50% will definitely make a huge improvement, like I had before done when I had to replace the windshield from a crack. Having the truck for less than a month and not even made a payment, less than 1,000 miles, and now, as you saw in the introduction to this video, having the window tint done. But you know, here's what it looks like before, and it's just so bright with these side windows and even the back windows behind us here all tinted. So let's get this rolling. Okay, the window tint is all done. Now when you look out, you don't have this untinted windshield just blinding with all that light coming in with this really dark tint on the sides. So when you're looking at it here, it still has the appearance of sunstrip, but the whole entire windshield was done in a 55% ceramic coating of window tint. And then they added that 5% tint strip over the top to give the sunshade. So you're really not supposed to tint your whole entire front windshield, and a lot of people go extremely dark. You know, dark is the sides, you know, 20, you know, 15%, and then you can't see it at all. And it is very dark. It is almost like looking out that sunstrip. And that is pretty much illegal, and I've never been pulled over for having this 55% tint. But the beauty of it is that that really good window tint, that ceramic, really does block out that heat and that UV, and that makes all the difference, especially with the angle of this windshield being so steep that the sunlight comes directly in. So the truck is a little dirty right now. It's been raining a lot, but as you can see from the outside, it's a nice, you know, you can still see in. It's not like extremely dark. I haven't even cleaned the inside of the windshield yet because I wanted to make sure it cured. But the sun strip does stick out. When you're looking from the sides and through, it's pretty good there. So, you know, after having a cracked windshield, I drove across the country without the window tint. It sucked. And but I made it back safely without this windshield cracking. So I decided to go ahead and have it retinted again. They did a really good job tinting. I don't see any imperfections really. And even the windshield being replaced looks way better than the old. This trim actually looks nicer, and the gasket and everything came out really good. So one more quick video on the truck. You know, stay tuned. I am going to do a special coating on the glass that really does help it repel the rain and stuff. So you don't even have to use your windshield wipers, and that's the Glaco two-step coating. So stay tuned for that too.